In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate age using date of birth in Microsoft Excel. We'll keep this simple and reliable so you can use it on a single date or across an entire list. First, open Excel and load the worksheet that contains your data. Make sure you can see the column that holds each person's date of birth. The key to getting an accurate result is ensuring those dates are real Excel dates, not text that just looks like a date. Take a quick moment to verify the format. Click a birth date cell and look at the number section on the Home tab. If it says date, you're in good shape. If it shows text, or if changing the format doesn't affect how it looks, Excel may not be recognizing it as a valid date. Also, watch out for regional date orders, day, month, year versus month, day, year, because a mismatched format can throw off results. If anything looks off, correct the entry so it displays as a standard date, like a short date. Now choose the cell where you want the age to appear. If the date of birth is in cell A2, click the target cell and type exactly this formula. X dated IF A2 today Y. Press enter. Here's what's happening. Dated IF calculates the difference between two dates. A2 is the start date, today is the end date that always updates to the current day, and Y tells Excel to return completed years only. The result is the person's age in whole years as of today. If you're working with a list, you can copy that formula down the column to get ages for every row. Just make sure each row's formula references the correct birth date cell. As time passes, the ages will update automatically because the today function refreshes with the current date. If your result looks like a date instead of a number, something like 10/1900, don't worry. That just means the cell is formatted as a date. To fix it, select the cell, go to the Home tab, and in the number box, change the format to general or number. If you see decimals, you can set the decimal places to 0 for a clean whole number. If a result seems unexpected, double check that the birth date is valid, not in the future, and truly stored as a date. Minor entry issues are the most common cause of odd outputs. And that's it. You've calculated age using a clear, dependable formula that updates automatically. Save your workbook, label the column as age if you like, and you're good to go.